championed the cause of unity and integration. I'm profoundly delighted to be recognized at this stage of my life during my tenure as head of state, and to date, I have consistently emphasized the importance of national unity, believing that a united Nigeria is the most essential tool for our progress, development, and stability as a nation. And you all believe in it, and we work together to achieve it. It is not me who made it. It is you, the people, that made it possible. The relentless efforts of the Nigerian Institute, of Public Relations, relentless efforts in promoting national integration, unity, and development through its impactful programs are most commendable. The theme of the Diamond Anniversary is public relations, value, reorientation, and economic transformation is both timely and essential. Public relations play a most crucial role in shaping our national identity and fostering a culture of mutual respect and understanding between peoples. As a leader, I can attest to the enduring value public relations brings to leadership and sustainable. But it has to be good. It has to be excellent. And I know that there is somebody here who has taught us to make sure that whatever we do, we must do it well. Mr. Well, where are you? Well, I urge the Institute to continue to partner with both the government and the citizens to promote values that will ensure national stability, progress, and unity. And as the impatient Jonathan Goodluck said, yes, I think elections are over. What is now required is to give support to those in charge and ask them to do it well, ask them to do it right for the good of the country. That is one way we can be able to keep this country together and well. When the other side time comes, I think it will be the same support and prayers that we'll give, to those in charge. So I urge the Institute to continue to partner with both the government and the citizens to promote values that will ensure national stability, progress, and unity. And together, we can build bridges across our differences and walk towards a future where every Nigerian feels a sense of belonging and pride. I am really grateful to all Nigerians. I can assure you it is not me that did it. It is the Nigerian people that did it. Yes, for the love of my country, That is why I accepted whatever happened to me as act of God, but for the good of the country. And that is the way it should be. I wish the Nigerian Institute of Public Relations many more years of remarkable achievement. And I thank you for all the awards you've given to many people here tonight. And I'm sure if you would have considered even many more. Thank you very much indeed for this for this prodigious honor that you've given to me.